Emma? What's wrong?
Look, it's moving.
Moving? Let me see.
No, it's a monster. Jake, look.
What is that?
It's moving. Okay, what's in the fridge? It's glowing and shaking. This is insane. What is it? I need to figure this out.
Whoa, it's glowing. Look at that. Jake, what is it? It's violet.
Wow, it's incredible. What's inside?
Open it.
It's glowing.
Whoa, get back!
This is incredible.
What is it?
Oh gosh, Hyunjin, what is that?
Oh, who just appeared on my hand?
He's so tiny. Is he real?
I think so. Hey, little guy.
This is unreal. Jake just told me the most insane secret. You won't believe what happened next. I was completely shocked. And he just walked away. And then this tiny little man just starts running across the table.
Wait, a tiny man
Yes,
on the table. And he ran so fast. No, wait.
I'll wait you, right? It was
Insane.
hilarious. I can't even picture it.
I'm gonna get you. Whoa. Whew.
Jake, are you okay?
I'm fine. Just clumsy.
You scared me. Oh my gosh, Jake, you actually tripped.
Hey, it was dark. Not funny.
It's hilarious, your face.
Okay. I'm glad I amuse you.
You do. Best story ever.